Hello guys, my name is Prav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow profile backlink, and also you can create your image backlink in this website. And this site is very high quality, authoritative, and this site is indexable. So definitely you can consider this site for your backlinking. Okay, so you can see how your profile backlink should be going to look like. You can see this is my company profile details like a brand name and the addresses, and you can see this is the description, and there I created a total 3 to 4 backlinks, the hyperlink. So if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you can see this is 100% do follow backlink, and there I created my backlinks for my recent published blogs on this website. So definitely you can use this statics kind of things. So let's see this website domain rating. So according to Acharya, this website domain rating is 69, and according to Moj, this website domain authority is 52, and the spam score is only 3%. And if I can show you this website traffic, so according to similar web, this website having around 74K monthly traffic, and the mostly traffic from USA, India, Taiwan, Canada, and Korea. So now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the sign up button. There you can put your email. Then you can confirm your email. Then you can choose your password. There you can add your first name and the last name. There you can use add your email, your username. Then you can add your locations. We are living in India, and there I can add my website URL. And in about section you can add your company description. So this is my description. Let me add here. And if you're wanting to hyperlink your any specific keyword, so you can select your keyword, and then you can make it hyperlink. You can copy this, you can paste here. And if you wanting to create a backlinks for your another pages, so I suppose I can going to create a backlink for this, and for my recent published blogs, like for this one and for this one. So you can copy your page targeted keyword, and you can paste your targeted keyword here. Then after, you can copy the your page URL, select this keyword, click on this button, paste here URL, then you can make it hyperlink. You can do the same thing for your another page or blog. Then you can copy the URL, you can select the keyword, click on this button, make it hyperlink. Same for this. So I hyperlinked all my keywords. Then after, once you guys will complete these things, then you can click on the create account button. Let me do the again things. Verification failed, so you can try again. Sometime something technical errors it shows. So you are almost there. So account is created. Now this site will send you the confirmation email. So you can check your Gmail, go to the spam folder. You might receive this activation email spam folder, so you can check spam, and you can see, you can click on this URL, and again you can open this, and you can copy this activation key. So okay, so activation key is this is automatically fetched. If not, so you can copy the activation key from there, and you can paste here. Then after, you can click on the activate button.
This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co.
So you can see our account is successfully activated. Now you can click on the login button. You can fill your login details. Then after, you can click on the login button, and you see our account is created. Now how you can find your profile landing page URL. So you can go to the top of the right corner username, then after you can click on the profile, then you can click on the you can click on the view button, and you can see this is our profile. How you can change your profile picture, so you can hover on this, then after you can click on the button. Here you can select your profile picture. You can resize your profile picture. Then after you can click on the crop image. And if you have a cover image, so you can change it from there. So once you guys will complete these things, then after you can click on the view profile button. And you see this is our backlink. And this backlink is no follow, but another are do follow backlinks. Another's are do follow backlinks. So you can see this is 100% do follow backlink. We created a profile backlink. Now I can show you how you can create your image backlinks in this website. So simply you can click on the new button. There you can see there is a media. You can click on this. From there you can select your image file. So suppose if I wanted to create backlink for this, so you can click on this. Then after you can click on the open button, and you see our image is successfully uploaded. Now you can click on the copy URL to clipboard, and you can open here somewhere another tab. So you can see this is how you can create your image backlink in this website. So you can also upload your infographic, the detailed image backlinking, because where you can highlight your company logo, and details are something whatever you want. So overall, this is the process to how you can create your profile and image backlink in this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, or you or your friends, so then you guys will share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details in the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.